There's an important video in chat. Okay. Let's see what this is.
Should I get a birthday cake with chocolate in it, or should I get a chocolate cookie cake for my birthday? Because I like both, but I can't decide. Help me choose.
Okay. Chocolate cake.
Here's how I'll torture you, David. Number 1, the marrow furnace.
What?
Inject liquid.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh, Vinny's seen it too. The marrow furnace. Did Vinny like the marrow furnace too?
Marrow furnace.
Marrow furnace. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. This is fucking hell. The marrow furnace. Number 1. The gazebo furnace. What's this? Lee Dahl did this. What is this?
Here's how I'll torture you, David. Number 1, the marrow furnace. I'll inject liquid metal into your bones, boiling them from the inside. Number 2, the nerve.